My dogs are scaring me. They're barking. And there's nothing outside. And it's dark. It is really dark. Really, really dark out there. Yeah. You're being a poop. There you are. Yeah, the black one, Velma, she's kind of jumped up on the door over there. She kind of attacked it, and barked and growled, and her hair stood up, and now they're quiet, as you can see. Velma? I don't know what's up with them. I'm scared. We have a glass door. Someone could just boot it in. Ah.